Hello. Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be doing another dekitting of a finished diamond painting that I've done. Today this is going to be one of my square diamond paintings. If you saw my review for it, this was the Snowman diamond painting. I did give it pretty bad reviews for the drills, but I still keep them because I find if you mix bad drills with some good drills, they actually kind of cancel themselves out, so they end up being good enough drills for me. So here we go. So 169. So I use these photo boxes that I made, what's it called, dividers for using, this is actually mail, like postcards that, see, right now it's election season, so hey look, there's some sort of election thing. So it's just card that I cut up from mail and then I put a DMC number. This actually holds my squares and my rounds, so it looks like I already have one for gray. If the shade is really off, I won't mix them. Oh, that one's off. Okay, so I just have these baggies, which were baggies that came with diamond painting, so no extra costs there. Oh, I've been trying to keep these labels so that I can, what's it called? I guess monitor what diamond paintings they come from, and plus now I don't have to bother making a label for it. But the nicer labels I have that I have made has the shape, the DMC, and what is called pewter gray. So yeah, I didn't mix these because they were a different color. So here's the next one is 307. Let's see, 307 lemon. Yeah, that's a different color, so I'm just gonna go put it in there. It's because I don't like, and this one was already in a baggie, so there you go. So 310, I'm 100% sure I have a bag of 310s, so here you go. I guess I could pour them directly into the baggie, but I don't know. I don't have the best aim, so I just find it easier to just put them in there. And you always get a ton of 310 extras because I think they anticipate that there's going to be a lot of trash in there, so that's what I've noticed. Companies give a lot of extra for 310. Okay. And I do like to possibly keep these just so that I'm trying to monitor how many diamond paintings these came from, which obviously haven't done it that long because I only have 2 in here, but let's see. But I've actually haven't, for some reason, I've been choosing diamond paintings that don't have a lot of black, so I think the camera is kind of in my way, so I'm gonna push this up a little bit. So 317. Oh, I only have something for round, so here it is. 317 is pewter gray. So I made these labels like a while back. I just found a website that had pretty much a list of all the DMCs and then what their color is, and I just copied and pasted it into a spreadsheet, and then I used the mail merge thing on Word to make the labels. Oops, I was going to keep this. And plus, making all the labels there, it does make sure, it makes me keep track of what I already have. So, oops, I'll go get that later. Let's see. Next one is 413. 413. Let's see. I actually got enough mail this year so that I was able to make all these cards. I think election season did, what's it called? Give me a lot of, propaganda, elect me mail, so I had a lot of them. Okay, 413. I actually have two bags for them that are, it matches this first bag. Or this, all right, I must have 3 bags for it. Yeah, I do. Wait. Why did I separate 1 and 2? They don't look that different. Yeah, I'm gonna mix. Yeah, now I can see why. This matches number 2 more. Yeah, I think in the future I'll probably combine those two because it's very, very difficult to see the difference. And my what's it called, rule of thumb, I guess, is if you need to take a closer look, well, too close of a look, then they obviously aren't that different. And I would just combine them. But for now, I'm just gonna keep them in 3 separate bags. Yeah, no, see, this one is more of like a lighter gray, so yep. Obviously differences in dye lots or manufacturers. Okay, 414, steel gray. Steel gray dark. Yeah, I'm mixing that. Let's see. So, okay, I think you guys get the gist of what I'm doing. So I'm going to continue on and put this to a faster speed. And I'll talk to you when I'm done. All right. Okay, here's the last color. Oops. 3866. Mocha brown. Ultra, very light. All right. Thank you for watching, and please watch another video. Bye.